clt.sarai vlogs channel. Today's video is rice pudding, cook with me. So I'm making rice pudding with my grandma. Here she is. She's kind of shy. Come here. See, she's kind of shy, so but she likes to be on videos. Say hi, grandma. Hi. Yeah, so we're making rice pudding of Colombia. And the first recipe, you need to put cotton rolls with hot water for like, ¿cuántos minutos? When I pongan la caliente agua, 15 minutes. And then wait for 15 minutes, then you put some rice, put water in it, and then you let it steam. And, okay, first, let me get the recipe book, because I'm going to learn this when I'm growing up. Okay, so it's in Spanish. Okay, so the first one, get a cup of rice, then get a hot water with it. Then you're gonna start with put it in there, then take the hot water out, then put it right there, then let it cool, make it for like an hour, leave it for a little bit. Then you put some water for a minute. Then you're gonna put some milk on it, then a little bit sugar, not a lot, then leave it for an hour. So because we're gonna leave it for an hour and it's already like 9:15, so then we leave it, and then we put a little let it steam. Then I'll show y'all. Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. I was talking to my dad, saying goodnight, and here's my grandma's view. We're still making. Okay, so the Tita's gonna be cook with us because she wants to be in the video. So yeah, I'm full of flip back. Okay guys, so you just put 1 cup of vanilla extra, then that's it. I'm gonna put the recipes down below so y'all can learn how to do rice pudding. If you don't like it, then why are you watching my video? So yeah, so that's why we were making some food on desserts, because what we have to do? Nothing. So yeah. Y arepas.
No, no hay arepas.
No, la cosa las arepas. My sister's wild. Guys. You can see what my grandma just saying. My grandma saying she got crazy. So, yeah. To say cotton sticks. I didn't mean cotton like something else, but yeah, I'm still stirring this because if you don't stir that much, it's gonna be like puffy or like real bad, and it's not gonna be the same rice pudding that you'll see in pictures that you think. So just search up rice pudding Colombia because it's the best one. I'm not being rude to Puerto Rican food, but Puerto Rican is different than Colombia because they use like more sweeter than we use, because we don't put that much sweet on this. We just put a little bit of vanilla extra, then we put a little bit of sugar, because if you put a lot of sugar, guys, warning, that's not gonna be the same thing, guys. So yeah, sister's gonna learn how to cook.
I'll try to grab it.
Go do do it hard, like this. Like this. Pasito, pasito.
No, I can't do it.
No, I'm showing you. Hold on.
No, I can't do it.
No, just do this.
I'm doing
Look.
a video.
Look, do this. So it cannot be burned inside.
It is hot. It's already hot.
Hold on.
Wait, I got it. I get it. Like that?
Yeah, but insert.
Harder?
Pasito. Slow.
Wait, what is in here?
The stuff that it burns.
Bye guys, I did it. The first time I did it.
Okay guys, try to take the cotton sticks while you're trying to put it in like a plate, not a plate, a pan. So yeah, make sure to do that guys. Warning. You saw what my grandma was doing. She needs to let it cool out, then you can put it the next day because you don't need to put it in the freezer. Warning. So my grandma made this one. I made this one because they didn't have a lot, but this is the result, guys. Let it cool off for like 20 minutes or 15. So yeah.